What if I told you that you could turn your screen time into income? Yeah, the same screen you are watching me on. TikToks, Reels, memes, late-night YouTube binges. What if it all had a return on investment in actual dollars? Because here is the thing. The internet is not just for cat videos and conspiracy theories anymore. It is a cash machine if you know where to push the right buttons. In today's video, I am revealing the top skills that you can learn to start earning real money online fast. Whether you are 18 and broke, 32 and bored of your 9-to-5, or 45 and finally done taking financial advice from your uncle who still uses Yahoo search, we got something for you. Let's dive in. Skill number 1. Freelance writing. Remember when your high school teacher said writing essays would not pay off? Yeah, they were wrong. Freelance writing is one of the most in-demand skills online. Businesses need content, blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, emails, even those annoyingly persuasive ads that make you buy stuff at 2 a.m. You do not need to be Shakespeare, just clear, clever, and consistent. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are full of clients begging for good writers. Learn SEO, find a niche, write like you talk, but better, and boom, you have got yourself a money printing keyboard. Skill number 2. Video editing. Let's be real. Everyone wants to be a YouTuber or TikToker, but guess what they all need? A video editor who knows what they are doing. If you can cut clips, add text, sync a beat drop, and sprinkle a little storytelling, you are in business. Editors are the new rock stars behind the scenes. Start with free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. And once you have got the basics, move to Adobe Premiere or Final Cut. Learn transitions, pacing, sound design, and pretty soon, you are not just editing videos, you are editing paychecks. Skill number 3, copywriting. This one's spicy and powerful. Copywriting is the art of writing words that sell. Think sales pages, email campaigns, product launches. You know that feeling when you read something and you are like, whoa, I need this right now. That is copywriting magic. This skill does not just make you money, it multiplies it. Businesses literally pay thousands to copywriters who can increase conversions. Learn it once, use it forever. Okay, so maybe now you are thinking, cool, but I'm not a writer or editor. Do not worry, because the next few skills, they are made for anyone with Wi-Fi and ambition. Skill number 4, graphic design. Canva is not just for Pinterest moms and Instagram quotes. It is a gold mine. Logos, YouTube thumbnails, product packaging, Instagram ads, all need design. Businesses want clean, scroll-stopping visuals that do not look like they were made in Microsoft Paint. If you have got an eye for color and layout, even just basic design skills can make you money. And with Canva Pro or Adobe Illustrator, you are Picasso with a purpose.
Skill number 5, digital marketing, especially social media.
You know how you are always scrolling Instagram or TikTok? What if I told you you could get paid to do that for someone else? Every brand wants attention, and that means social media managers, content creators, and ad managers are hot in demand. Learn how to grow a page, schedule posts, write captions, maybe run a few Facebook or TikTok ads, and you have got a resume that prints money. Pro tip: even small local businesses want to grow online, and they will pay you to help them.
Skill number 6, affiliate marketing.
This one's like passive income's cooler cousin. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, and you get a commission. Boom. Amazon, Shopify stores, SaaS tools, they all have affiliate programs. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a simple Instagram page around a niche. The beauty? You are not selling your own product. You are just connecting the dots and getting paid for it.
You are not just surviving online, you are thriving. If this video lit even a tiny spark in you, hit that like button. Subscribe if you are ready to build the income and freedom you have always wanted online. And in our next video, we are diving into the wild world of crypto investing. Not the hype, not the scams, but how real people are actually building portfolios using smart strategies. So hit that bell so you do not miss it. Until next time, go build something amazing.